Okay. What's up, everybody? I'm so sorry that I haven't been uploading just for a week now because I have been very, very busy with my work. This is Tuesday, the 26th of January 2021. It's almost February, so I did that like the practice father told me 1,000 years ago. But I forgot it because I must have born 1,000 years ago. So I said that the machine is full of sump because it's on cottons for the actual went with 1,600 spin, as you can see right there. But I won't be remember this when it says 3 months ago or something, because that could be made. I don't know. Okay, you're not gonna see this. Overhead glass. I've actually thought this machine headed the glass. I'm sure the glass but it's going to some. Whoa! Whoa! Ooh! Very unbalanced. But back now the texture just come back and I'm gonna make it like really unbalanced. Oh my god. That was so, oh my god, that was hilarious. But I'm going to upload this like a week because I had been working on my work. So we'll add it to my YouTube account right now and see if people like this. Okay? See you next time.